Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a character that stands still. See if I can I'll show you an example in the toolbox. But I don't know. But yeah, kind of like this. Where you get characters that are frozen in place. It's good for credits. So first you want to download the load character mod plugin. Once you have, you want to click on it, then insert the character's username that you want to be frozen. Okay, for example, mine would be KingL3145. Hold on, just spell. Then you want to spawn R15, and then you just want to place it down. Now, do not get rid of the name yet. You can, but it'll just be harder for you. Once you have spawned in your character, you want to click, I think it would be on plugin, but for me it's on avatar. You want to click on animation editor. The original one, it should automatically be placed in plugins. Give it a minute. And it's not responding. Right, then you've got to select the rig. So we want to animate this. Just name whatever you want. You don't even have to name. I'm just going to name it Wave. Now, it is time to edit the position that you want it to be frozen in place. For example, mine could be just like that, and it'll be frozen in place like that at the end. So just edit how you want it. Edit your character how you want it. You can click on anything, because that's why we chose R15. So I'm just going to quickly do mine. Once you have done your character, you then want to install another plugin called Anchor Pose. It should be in plugins. I'll just search up this one. Once you have installed it, a pop-up GUI should come up anywhere, and then you want to insert the character's name. So you want to insert your character's name, basically. For example, mine would be KingL3145. Then you want to click Anchor, and then another one should come up. You want to delete the old one, the original one, and then you have only the clone, which is frozen. Give it a minute to save. I don't know what's going on. So you can name it whatever you want now. I usually, for mine, I usually just name it nothing, literally just nothing. Then you can do whatever you want with it. So yeah, that's it. You can do it however you like. It's your choice. You could also do it a different way, but this one's the easiest way I know. Anyways, that's it for today. Also, I'm going to try to keep posting once a day at max, because you know how I've been posting like 3 times a day recently. I'm just running out of video ideas and I can't keep doing that. So I'm gonna keep it once a day. I'm probably gonna post one more later today. But if you guys have any video ideas or anything you want to know, just comment down below and yeah, I will try to complete it. Anyways, bye and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.